All right, here at a hotel, motel, Hilton Inn. Picking up an exploder with a flat tire. Been waiting like 20 minutes for him to pull this fucking thing out of the parking garage. All good though. Let's see. Let me get the plate and the VIN and then we'll get started here. 4KA 4RT. Oops. And last three of the VIN. Hey. 23. All right. Don't know where he's going, but I hope he doesn't go far. I'm fucking around sitting here waiting too long already. Just threw his half-smoked cigarette on the ground. Come on, fucker. And okay, he's coming back. He went to just go throw his coffee cup away. Alright. We'll get one close-up of the flat. Oh my god, it's cold out here. Oh, he nailed something. Alright. Get this out of the way. Cold, my hands don't want to work. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I take stuff there all the time. Is the key in there?
I have the key.
Okay, I'll need that. We'll just drive it up so that way we don't have to pull on it. Thank you, sir.
You said it in
Yeah. Strike two. Telling you how to do my job. Hate these stupid ass shifters. It's cold out here. Oh yeah. Yeah, we've had it. This is a, I think this one's a 19 or an 18. But yeah, we only have 750s. And then one 550 for the wrecker. Huh?
Get it new?
Yeah, we got them all brand new. From Arkansas, because that's the only people that want to play ball price-wise. Oh, nice. I forget where it's at. Jonesboro. Let's say it says on the mud flaps. Yep. Yeah, all the dealerships here were not budging on the price even a little bit. Yep. Don't buy a used work truck of any kind. Never know what problems you're inheriting. Most people don't exactly take care of them. Crazy. Yeah. Yeah, it's the longest and widest they make. Are you riding down there with me?
I'm gonna go with you.
Of course. Windows down, because I cannot stand cigarette smoke, so sorry. Alright, let me get all this moved out of your way. Spare. Yep. Yes, sir. All the bells and whistles, as they say.
They're all custom.
Yep. All right, we're all set. He's wasted like 3 cigarettes while we're just standing here. What the fuck? Yeah, and I just putted over to Bay after that. If you want to head inside and get checked in once I stop, and then I'll come find you.
Yeah.
We'll settle up then. It's the only gripe I have about these trucks is I wish they had just a little bit more steering angle.
What a truck.
Oh yeah. All right. Careful getting down. Oy. Strike 3, 4, and 5 on the way here. Nice enough guy though. Just little ash on my screen of my phone. Oh, sorry. I thought you were going around the front.
That's okay. Oh, yeah.
All right. People don't usually walk behind my truck because the bed's moving. Strike 6. Oh yeah, you can see where he macked something. Not good. Let's get a picture of that while we got it up close. Just in case, you never know. All right. Dun, dun, dun. Keep wanting a motorcycle, but then I see ones like this, and I'm like, are they all that big? Fuck. I am not, I don't know, not in the market for something huge like that, but is a 600 sport bike like the same kind of footprint and weight? I don't know. Probably not. So I know cruisers are obviously heavier, but why the hell is that Lincoln at a Firestone? That's crazy. You'll see it when I walk back around. Something that should not be at a Firestone, unless it's like just an oil change. Even then, better make sure you're getting the seasoned tech for that one. Get that call talking about, I drained the transmission pan. Fucking crazy. Yeah, that thing's sick. Should not be at a Firestone though. Sorry. Alright. Goddamn. Car smells like cigarettes really bad. Okay. Parking brake, is it off? Nope. There we go. Now it is. It says that flat tire's got 1 PSI. Don't think it even has that. Alright, that'll do it. We'll take the key into him because still need to get paid too. So I'm just trying to get him in and out of my truck. Let's get our drop off for sure.
Morning, how you doing?
Morning, good, how are you?
Good.
Think he macked a curb or something.
Yep, looks like it.
This off and we'll figure it out. Can I give you the key?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna go find him to get paid and then I'm out of here.
Thanks, man.
Thank you. I usually do payment at the pickup so I don't have to worry about it when I'm trying to get out of here, but as I said, he was eager to get in the truck and I was eager to get him out. See you at the next one. All right, first call of the morning. Weigh the shit out in Santan. Hour and a half drive with traffic, or in traffic. I think this will be the first H3 Hummer I've ever towed. Oh, damn, it's freezing. Might have to call my customer. Oh.
Oh my God. Back up.
Hello.
I
So what's going on with it? I didn't even get that info.
fucking no idea.
Okay.
I mean, I think the transmission cooler blew up.
Okay. So is it pissing fluid everywhere or?
It was.
Oh, okay.
And
So we're
now
not going to
it's-
start it then.
Oh, well, I mean, we just had to start it to get it from the side yard here, and it was all we could do to.
Oh,
The
okay.
engine is running, but it's, yeah,
Okay.
you're going to be hard pressed to get it to actually go anywhere. Forward,
I'm not going to make a
backwards.
mess, so we're good, yeah. All I need is the key and then I will get it up there. Are we doing payment with you or am I calling?
Me.
Okay, let me get it all loaded and then we'll do that.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to pull my truck up that way. I can just roll it out that way. All right. Why's my winch cable like that? Okay, gonna have to kind of block the neighbor's truck in just a touch. So hopefully they don't, well, actually it's gonna be completely blocked in, so hopefully they don't get butthurt about that. But hopefully they're cool with their neighbor. Alright. Are you cool with your neighbor?
Oh yeah.
Okay. I'm blocking their trucking completely. I just wanted to make sure. Okay. So I've had it sometimes where like, you blocked my fucking truck again. And I'm like,
No, you don't need to stick me push.
okay. Okay.
Just do hand signals.
No worries. That's crazy. Oh, there's no power. Uh-oh. There's no battery power. Was the battery dead this morning? Or earlier?
No, he hasn't moved it since like a week ago.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so the battery's completely dead. Let me grab the jumper. We'll give it some life so we can get it into neutral. Oh my God. She said they don't use. I have one right here, no worries. Ooh. Yeah.
Those things I've heard are
This will dead.
bad boys.
Yeah, these will dead jump a diesel. It's the
Yeah.
thing I always say. Let's see where we at.
It's weird.
Yeah.
It's
Is it
down
under?
here.
Oh, it's down there.
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, I would have never guessed
I
that.
know. It took me like 10 minutes the very first time
Right.
to figure out where it was.
All right. Let's see. Yeah, the battery's connected. It's like so dead. I thought it almost didn't have a battery in it. So it's doing absolutely nothing.
I have no idea why.
Yeah.
I wonder.
It's probably just from sitting, honestly.
For a week though?
Yeah. 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 Depending on how old the battery is, yeah. Yeah, it's hard to say without knowing how old the battery is because there's a cover on it, but. Okay.
What does that mean?
What's that? Oh, I just put it in neutral.
Oh.
Yeah, it just needs battery power to be able to put it in neutral. That's why, yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. It won't let it move without it.
Oh.
Yeah. Not, oops. Not the greatest design. A lot of cars are like that, though. All right. Put this back, and then I'll roll it down. Leave that open, because I'm probably going to need to do it at the drop-off. All right. Hopefully that thing doesn't roll away. I just realized the door was like gonna foul on the tree. Okay. Let's see if it'll roll by itself. Nope. Okay. No, I can, it's just, once it gets going, it'll probably be okay. Let's see. Yeah, it's easy enough. The driveway will catch it too. Or pull it, rather. Oh, maybe not. What the hell?
I'm helping.
No, I think the transmission's like so.
Oh no. There we go.
Okay, I think it was just, yeah.
I don't know.
It was hung up on something.
And it seems like it's.
Yeah, let me see.
We had one hell of a time though.
Right, ready? Oh my gosh. It was moving okay, what the hell? Well, I guess I can pull it from there. I'll just have to block the street here.
What am I at?
Yeah, there's no one parked over there, so I can just pull it out from there, no worries. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. It's okay, we'll let the truck do the work. No, we're good. I'm gonna just back up to it right there. Thank you though. Fucking hell. Hurt my back pushing on it. So I was like pushing with my lower ass, or upper ass rather. Well, good thing this is going a decent distance, so I don't not, you know, upset about doing all this to get it on the truck. All right.
You like your job?
I love my job. Yeah. Not even like being sarcastic. I kind of sounded sarcastic, but no, I love it. Yeah, it's always fun. Never, 2 days are never the same. Let's see. Go with the single hook. These aren't very heavy. Hopefully this thing's got enough steering angle to make that turn. It's not a super tight turn, but still, you never know. Come on, you fucker. Okay. Let's see.
Put onto the tie rod.
Tie rod? That's in the front.
Well.
Rear axle.
Okay.
That's what I'm hooking
that
to.
Must have been what. So they hooked my husband's Corvette
Oh yeah.
up to the tow truck with the tie rod.
You're never supposed to pull from the lower control arms at all on those.
Yeah.
You're supposed to pull them up backwards. Yeah, call us next time for that. We know better.
It was like from a, you know, from like Speed Sports, like
Yeah.
the biggest highfalutin.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, call us next time. That's crazy. Can you do me a huge favor and just sit in the car and hold the wheel to the left so it doesn't straighten itself out? All right. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, it's easier to do from outside the car, honestly. Here, I can do it if you want. That's, yeah, you did great. That was perfect. I just need to straighten it out now to get a little more this way.
Yeah, it's a little rough.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Yeah. Okay, your turn.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. You saw the wheel skip? Did you see the wheel skip a little bit? Yeah. That rear end or something in the transmission is not happy.
Yeah. considering the transmission was only 3 years old.
That's crazy.
Yeah, and then the radiator. Yeah, so I mean, I guess the radiator's all in one inside the unit. But
Yeah, because what it is the transmission cooler goes into the radiator and they mix a lot because it's plastic, so it just breaks.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah, of course. I'm gonna actually rotate my truck so we can make this a little easier. It's gonna look crazy, I promise it's not. All right. That fucking thing. Something is not happy. Could be the brakes too. And now I don't have to steer it a million times. Okay. Alrighty. Did you want the charger out of here? Or you don't need it.
That's a piece of shit.
Okay.
One of those emergencies, bought it at a gas station because they didn't have real.
Right, 7-Eleven one for $20 that
Yeah.
hardly fucking works.
USB.
Yeah. Crazy.
It takes 4.5 hours to charge it.
Yeah. You're like, it's plugged in, why is it still dying? I've bought those before too. On like road trips, I'm like, shit, I forgot my charger. The worst. All right. It has no power, so I'm gonna leave the door open. That way I can take the key with me. Just in case it wants to get some power and lock itself.
I have another key though too.
Yeah. That'll do it. All right. It's not letting the key come out because it's in neutral, and I want to leave it in neutral so that way I don't have to jump it. So.
Do you want me to give you the other key too?
If you wouldn't mind. Yeah, and I'll just make sure I leave them both with, obviously, just in case. Okay. This pickup took way longer than I was anticipating, but that is okay. Let's see. We need the angle from right about here, that's fine. Oh my god. Quarter link off. Oh, never mind. Got it. Alright, pull it up a little bit more. Flatten it out a little bit first. Just cause. Why not? And I have the address, but is it a shop that I'm taking it to? Huh? It's a shop I'm taking it to? I have the address, I just wasn't sure what it was. I haven't looked at it yet.
AJ.
Yeah, it's a mechanic shop though, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
But it's tight,
Okay.
you know?
Yeah.
I mean, it's like full on.
Yeah. Right. Let me just unblock the street and then we'll do all that. Good to go. Alright, I had to circle the block because I didn't know where the fuck this place was, and I still don't really. In Apache Junction, of all fucking places. There's a million cars coming. Not a million, but enough to get in my way. I have no idea where this thing is even gonna go. Come on, jerk off. We're gonna have to pull up and just block their whole shit for a second because it says do not enter right here. But I have no idea where to put this thing. I'm like in the road. Alright, let's go see. What? Any idea where to put this thing? Oh. Oh, okay. Gotcha. He said across the street. My customer said this place looked like a junkyard. She wasn't kidding. You know what? We're gonna go back around because I don't know if that street connects. Circle the block again. This fucking place sucks. Oh man. Sorry, you guys get to go with me this entire little fantastic voyage. This neighborhood, if they saw me come around the first time, seeing me again, they're like, what the fuck? I'm glad I didn't start backing in because that would have pissed me off right away. Alright, so we're circling back for the second time now. Let's see. This is supposed to go across the street somehow. Oh, okay, that street does connect. But there is a little driveway. Nope, there's a gate. Fuck me, this sucks. Across the street where, my guy? Is there a driveway over there? I just see a gate. Alright, we gotta cross this fucking main road. Okay, no, there is an opening. Okay, this is stupid. I don't know where they expect me to put this thing, but hopefully I don't expect it like parked in a spot because there's no fucking way. Oh, maybe actually if we snake around the gate and go my bed facing the street, maybe? I don't know. I'm not really too pressed about it though. I don't deliver to these guys ever. Don't feel bad not putting it exactly where they need it. This driveway sucks. The gate is too thin. There's cars fucking everywhere. Alright, well guess what? It's going right there. Sorry guys. Hopefully this piece of shit rolls off too, because it was having some trouble. Alright, sorry everybody. 3 minutes just to fucking pull up. Alright. What we're gonna do is put the bed at kind of a crazy angle. That way it'll kind of influence it to go down the bed and not stop beforehand. So I do not have room to drive the truck out from under this thing. Who knows, maybe it'll just roll right the fuck off real easy like. That's what I'm hoping for. Alright. Oh my god. The bed is above the camera. Oh, not good. Can I get this in there? Yes. Jesus. Gotta love the interesting calls. We'll just say that so we don't get offensive on the beat today. Bully bar doesn't really do anything if it's hollow, does it? It's just gonna crumple. It's like, feels like it's made out of exhaust tubing. Okay. I think the winch bled a little bit because the chain is a little loose. That's all right. Fucking hell. Alright, so let's see. We'll let it down just a little bit. So once I get it going, I want to not stop until it's all the way off. That way, give it all the momentum I can. Still cold, but at least it's not freezing. Oh shit, that's a Firehawk. Is it a V6? Is that what that says? No, it's a V8. So it wouldn't be a Firehawk if it was a V6. That thing's cool. Go, 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 go. Keep going. I hear the tires scrubbing for some reason, like... Oh, they're both doing it, okay. It's probably just, tires are probably newer. Oh, I can't see if we have room to that truck, but I don't want to stop the thing. It's rolling pretty well, though. Okay, yeah, we got lots of room. I just want to make sure I don't want to fuck anyone's shit up. I gotta make sure I grab her other key, too. She gave me both keys. Alright. Yeah, see, and then it just immediately stops. Like it's, I don't know, why the fuck this thing doesn't want to roll very well. It's kind of weird. But, let me unhook and I'll grab the key before I forget. Okay. Grab the key while I'm thinking about it. We'll get our drop-off picture, and we'll take a picture of the keys in it, because he said the guy that was yelling to me at the at the drop-off right here was telling me, leave the keys in it, across the street. Okay. It's kind of crazy, but whatever. Junkyard, just like the customer said. Alright. Oh, I didn't get any pictures of this thing at the fucking pickup. That's crazy. Oops. That's my bad. I was more concerned about just getting the call done because it was fucking freezing. Alright, key is in it. And then we're gonna leave that one right there. Okay. Crazy. That'll do it though. Let's get the fuck out of here.